When you see it in person like this, such big mountains. Royal Enfield Himalayan, Benelli 2300. Going for lunch. We need to be careful with the dogs, man. There's a king and queen. Have Rajasthan feels here. Seating arrangement looks similar. This was one of the best and filling lunch I have ever had since I came to Bhutan. Very good lunch, brother. Thanks.
I'm feeling good.
When you see it in person like this, such big mountains. I think this is the fort. See over there, such a beautiful looking fort amidst this beautiful, one of the purest waters that is flowing in this river. And there are big humongous Himalayan mountains back there. Oh man, see how big this mountain is, man. Really. I don't know if camera is doing justice, but yes, we are in the Himalayas, of course. Man, couldn't have asked for more. I'll take one or two quick photos here. Let me see if I can get some good angle from here. This?
I'm so sleepy.
Such a beautiful and peaceful place. It was built in 16th century. It's still looking very solid.
It's a mandala only.
That is where it is written, right?
Yes, yes.
What will happen after 1,000 years?
Yes, it's like this. So we right now are in a somewhat like place where we live for 100 years, right? Where our lifespan is 100 to 80 years, and another thing is all our facials is round in shape. Okay, so in future the people will be having a rectangle shape of their face, and an egg shape, triangle shape face, right? So we believe like that in future.
We have parked our bikes there. This is the district hospital of Punakha city. We are here, as I told, to get the injection for Rajesh. The hospitals are so beautiful here in Bhutan. There is this canteen, hospital canteen, and we are having chai here.
Chai, Nescafe, all in one.
And this is our seating area, very beautiful. Hello. Kusun Sambla. Your name? Name?
My name is
Nice name. Friends? Friends? Hello.
Yeah.
Having coffee? Getting injected. First time in Bhutan.
Yeah, I'm poisoned now.
No, first time in Bhutan is getting injection.
Yeah.
So here we are having coffee and everything is free here. Injection, like healthcare, education, everything is free in Bhutan. Lovely people, lovely country. Done with injection?
3 injections, 1 and 3.
Like you're done with one?
3.
No, only direct.
Two injections actually.
Biker by heart, guide by profession. Okay, I think so. There is one more last destination to cover. That is the hanging bridge. So we'll go there and spend some time and then head back to hotel. Chalo, let's go. That is the hanging bridge that we're going. Okay, there you go. This is the bridge. Brother, bridge name? Suspension bridge. Okay. It is made out of iron. Yes. We'll take a quick walk here. Click some couple of photographs. Travel.
TRA.
We. Your good name, sir?
Yeah, Surya Narayan.
Surya Narayan.
Yes.
You're from? Sanjana. So they are from Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Nice meeting you.
Yeah, it was a wonderful experience here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we are done for the day. Get on the bike, get back to hotel, and
very expensive. They are
take
not,
rest. Hope you guys enjoyed this.
They not serve basically poor people.
Do give it a like if you like this Bhutan trip along with Rajesh Bhai and Purna Bhai. So that's it, guys. Nothing else. What else? Any ending notes?
Ending notes?
Mhm.
No road is too long if you have a good company.
Yeah. That's correct. Okay,
The
enough.
sun sets just to rise. Say it, man.
Enough. We're heading back to hotel now. It was a good day. Not that much riding today. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.